Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Now if you couldn't guess by my cheesy intro of me trying to be something I'm not, I am unboxing the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. That's right, it finally came, and I'm going to be giving away one of the two that I have, so stay tuned. Hi y'all, I'm Belle from Southern Belle if you don't know me. I do all sorts of things from makeup reviews or unboxings to gaming to singing to mukbangs to food reviews to food product reviews. I do all sorts of things. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, not this bell, to get all notifications. Be hashtag notification squad. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It is finally here. Today has been such a wonderful day. Didn't know Dr. Pepper and cream soda came out today. Or, well, I was able to get it today. Other people got it. Wasn't in my store. But, and I got my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palettes. Super excited about this. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna give you my opinions about it. And, you know, I'm just gonna show it off. I know everyone's already done it. You know, it just took a while for the mail to get here to me. I just want to thank y'all because I could not get these palettes without y'all. I could not have this without y'all who either donate to the channel or are channel members or in any way like and subscribe, sharing it out so other people see it. You know, this is all because y'all helped. So I've always wanted a nice makeup. And I just appreciate y'all for being the awesome, you know, Belle family that you are. So thank you so much. And since I'm so thankful, I want to put a Belle family comment here just to show y'all how thankful I am and show my appreciation. So thank you. Now I am outside, so you're going to hear a whole bunch of stuff in the background. I am so sorry, but this is what I got to work with. Okay. Now the time has come. I get to open this beautiful package up and for the first time see a beautiful and own a beautiful palette by the beautiful Jeffree Star. Whew. I am already shook, so let's go. I haven't even opened it and I'm like, oh. So let's do this. Bubble wrap for your safety. Purple tissue paper. Ooh, I love it. I'm being so like bougie right now. I'm like, ooh. Like, okay, I made another makeup video when I was like, I'm a booty guru, and I'm probably still gonna be kind of the same way, but like right now I'm like, I'm in awe and I'm a little shook and I'm a little like, I guess, trying to act bougie or feel bougie because I have this piece right here. So I don't know what to expect from this video. So if you watch my normal videos, I don't know what's going on with me right now. Okay, I'm just really happy and excited. Oh, so this is the box that the palette comes in. Bloodlust Artistry palette. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one over here gently. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh, I love how it's purple and gold, but then got that little bit of blood right there. You know, I just love the way I haven't even like gone into it yet. I just love the way the outside, the packaging is, the little daggers. I just think that's a really good little, you know, I don't know, detail to it. Oh, I love the Jeffree Star little logo and the little, oh, look at that. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, you ready? Woo! Oh my Lord Jesus. Like, it says Bloodlust down here. It's so fancy. Oh my gosh. And see, people were complaining because it is a velvet type thing. Let me pick it up. But listen, I've never had a Jeffree Star product ever, ever. So I want to be bougie. I want this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Jeffree Star, you done outdid yourself. Oh my Lord. Beautiful. Let's take a good gander at it. Love the little latch. Beautiful. Take a look at the back of it. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So excited to play around with this. I love the depth of it too. I love the unique, you know, shape of it. I love everything about this palette. I know some people are like, oh no, you know, might not be able to take it with you, but I want to be bougie, girl. This is Jeffree Star, my first ever Jeffree Star palette. I want to be bougie. So a lot of people online were making it seem like this clasp was just here for decoration, or I know some people were not happy with it, but it does clasp it. Like, I can't open it, you know, just by pulling on it. So at least that's the impression I got from others, but it's not just there for looks. It really does, like, clasp it. And I think that's adorable. Love my protective sheet. You can see all the benches over here. Oh, hello. Hello, setup. How are you? It's a nice thick sheet too, so it's very well protected. Wow. So I'm looking at these, and these are so gorgeous. I've never seen eyeshadow like the Wet Jewel and the Pink Magic one before. The Take the Crown doesn't look as wet as them. I don't know if that's the same kind or... No, I think just those two are the same, the wet ones. That is so beautiful, by the way. Now, let me go ahead and take this off so it doesn't look like the mirror is scratched up. So y'all know it's all good. These are beautiful, and I cannot wait to dive into these beautiful colors. Oh. These are beautiful. I love purples. When I was younger, I would just wear purples a lot. Like purple and brown mixed together, you know? That's just how I do. I wasn't very good at makeup back then. I mean, I'm alright at makeup now. I mean, I'm a booty guru, but these are gorgeous. Oh, hello, me. Whew. I certainly do like highlighter. I was so upset that I didn't get the Extreme Frost one, but that stuff was out like that. Plus, I didn't have the money for it anyway, so... Oh my goodness. All right, enough me looking at it, right? So for anyone who doesn't know and I guess doesn't watch other channels, you have your Majesty, which is a nice, I guess, you know, like whiter, I don't know what color I would call that. It, to me, because I have bad eyesight, it looks like has a little green tint to it. Maybe because I'm outside. Then you have this gorgeous purple here. It's called Take the Crown. Beautiful. Then you have Deviant right here. Ooh, are you Deviant? Beauty Sleep, because we know Belle needs her beauty sleep. She grumpy and... We're not going to say. I'm a booty guru. We have a Wet Jewel here. Royal Pain. I like that name. Let me tell you why. Because I am a royal pain in a lot of people's booties. So we have the I was gonna say flavor. The color Dungeon. It's called Dungeon. Ooh, we have Scandal Water. Very, very beautiful, might I add. I think this kind of matches my eyes a little bit, depending on the light. Then we have Sworn Enemy, Pink Magic, which I said was beautiful, and one of the wet ones. Bleeding Heart. I don't know why a lot of people said they don't like it or the color just wasn't there for them. We will see. The Executioner. I don't know if you can see this, but this is gorgeous. It is like a black with like purple glitter in it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to attempt to do swatches. Swatches? Swatches? Swatches. I've never done swatches before, so. And then you got this High King right here. Vivid Mood. Is this focusing? Focus, focus. Then we got Vivid Mood right here. Monarchy right here. And Blood Queen right here. Ooh, love it. And Vile Serpent. Ooh, Vile Serpent right there. And Betrayal. These are beautiful. I'm going to attempt to do some swatches for y'all. I've never done swatches before. Oh, this mirror is really good too, might I add. Oh, this mirror makes me look 10 times better. So I'm going to attempt to do some swatches for you. And by the way, I love these little prints that are in here. Always so good. I watched the videos. I've never had it, like I said before, but always so cool. Alright, as I said in the beginning of this, I have 2 Bloodlust palettes, and I'm going to be giving away one of these. I did say it in the beginning, and I want to thank each and every one of you, because the only way that was possible was with y'all. Y'all supporting the channel, donating, becoming channel members, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff helped me to be able to get one of these, which I've always wanted. So I am going to be giving away one, but I'm going to be giving away a Bloodlust palette to Scarlet Dream. Scarlet Dream, if you did not know, she on my birthday sent me a little Target beauty box and kind of really, I guess, got me wanting to do some makeup stuff. I always think I'm not really that good at doing makeup things, but once I got that and opened it up and acted like a booty guru, it really made me want to do more things. So I got her a Bloodlust palette. So make sure you go and subscribe to her channel and click that bell. That way you will see her video on the Bloodlust Jeffree Star palette. I know it's going to be a wonderful video, and I'm so excited to see it. Let me know if you like this video. Make sure you smack that like button, show who's boss, and share this on your social media. Let me know how I did below. Am I good at telling stuff? Am I good at, talking about stuff? I really don't know how this video is gonna go, to be honest. I did a lot of stuff for a very long time. So I don't know if I'm gonna break this video up or not, so it might kind of be weird.